So you're sitting in your math center and you've got out the Unifix cubes and you want to teach addition. The problem? 5 years old, cubes. Are they toys or are they tools? First and foremost, they're going to be toys. But here's an opportunity. So instead of fighting building blocks and, big, long, sticks together or whatever formations they're making with these little cubes on the table, instead of fighting that, this is a time when I would say, okay, we're going to learn 2 ways that these guys can be used, these little cubes. One of them is toys. Let's play. And before you know it, they're building. And the second one is tools. We're going to use these to count and put numbers together. So they're not toys right now. Now they're going to become tools. And I can even get really fun with this. And I can say, okay, let's finish up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toys are done. Boom, presto, put my magic hat on. And they have become tools. And believe it or not, I can now say to kids, give me 4 of those cubes and let's take 2 of those cubes and let's put them together. And I'm more apt to get them to use them as a tool because I let them use them as a toy and then I taught them the difference. See that? So don't fight the fact that 5 and 6-year-old kids are going to play with little cubes as toys.